Hello guys, yeah, guess where I am? Guess. I'm at the heart of Ajah. This is Okun-Ajah to be precise, along the popular Abraham Desoya. I'm here at Cedar Homes, one of our premium and luxury apartments and land service plots of land here in Ajah. Harry Dafe Umabo of Realty Point, and I present to you Cedar Homes. Cedar Homes comes with amazing studio apartment, a one-bedroom apartment, and a two-bedroom apartment, all in suite. This is one of the prime locations because why? It's just sharing fence with the popular Artican Beach estate and very close to the popular beaches here in Lagos. Can you talk about that? Over 10 beaches along this amazing location, from Attica to Barracuda to a lot of exquisite, executive and luxury places here in Lagos. So right here on this amazing property, we have service plots and also we have amazing apartments here for you. So these are already built for you. Just call the number on your screen and say yes, I want to be a part of this. Subscribe today and call the number on your screen and say yes, take me to Cedar Home.